So just found a nice swim. Nice and easy fishable, nice access. The river's looking nice. It's up, coloured, still rising. So let's just get set up now and get the bait out. My feeders. I've got spicy sausage, ground bait, and I've got a bag of mixed pellets. In there I've got 6mm, 2mm, 4mm, and I've got some chopped up boilies as well. So all different size pellets in a bag, ready to go. Got my feeders, my leads. So let's get fishing. That's the first one out. I'm just pulling one rod out for now, and all that's on that is just pellet, 15mm pellet, on the air, on the lead, nothing else. That's just to get me going, and have a cup of tea, mix some ground bait up, put a few freebies around it, and see how we go. I've just got stung when I casted that rod. So it might be a bit more chopping down again with my umbrella. Yeah, so I've just quickly chucked that out just to get me fishing while I have a cup of tea. And what I'm going to do is just put some bait in. Mix some ground bait up. That's the spicy sausage ground bait, and I shall put a couple of balls of that in, because I'm only fishing a couple of rod lengths out, and hopefully try and entice them in. Jesus, a wasp or a hornet. The river's looking nice. It's like I said, it is a rising river. It's coloured. And I've seen a few logs and debris coming down the river, as you do when it's on the rise. So just going to settle in now and try and plan a course of action, feeding every 20 minutes, and see what happens. I know from previous times when I've been down here on this peg, I fished it a few videos back, and the river was really low, and when I come on this peg there's like a little channel there from where am I going now? You can't see it, can you? Yeah, and that tree there is a little channel. You can obviously see it when the river's low. It goes right the way along here, so it's only a couple of foot deep there though. So I'm just going to fish, casting out just to about there, and then it's just taking it just downstream a bit and just landing up there. So just trying to perfect it a bit better. But it's looking a lovely day so far. Size of 17. Sun's out now, bit overcast. Forecast for the day is rain. Bit of rain, I think 40% of rain, and but mostly sunny. So with all the rain we've had this past week and last week, well, mainly this week. It's knocked off a bit, so good time to come down. Just made some ground bait up, and in that I've just got a handful of mixed pellets, so I'm just going to mix that up for now. 6mm, 4mm, 2mm pellets, all mixed in the spicy sausage ground bait. So I'll let that settle. Put a couple of balls of that in, just into the swim where I'm fishing, try and entice them. So here we are. So with the conditions, me personally, I'm going to be more confident with this setup. Tunnel feeder, ground bait with mixed pellets, a few mixed pellets to there, and then capped off with some ground bait. 3.5 hook length, and size 10 salty squid. Again, running rig, but just using an anti-tangle sleeve, just nipped on slightly. So as always, when the fish takes it, it comes up to a little bit of a resistance, and that helps with the hooking of the fish. I'm sure you'll find helps, and really effective for me personally. So let's get him out. Yeah, definitely confident now. I feel as though I'm fishing effectively. I'm confident, so I'm happy. So another cup of tea time. Another cup of tea. And I must admit, it's a very pleasant day here down on the middle Severn. The sun's still out. A few clouds that side of me, but this side's looking really bright. Blue sky, if the camera's picking it up. Look at that sky, lovely. But like I say, behind me here it's just all a bit grey. But a lovely quiet day down the middle Severn. So all we need now is a couple of barbel, which is always would be nice. Well, I'll stick on boilies like I says, and for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. If I don't have any fish, I'm going to switch to the smaller baits and see if I pick anything up. Got the 10mm banded up, ready to go. But I want to just, I don't want to waste no time. I just want to go in as I will normally fish. I know some people scaled right the way down. But or later, we'll see how it goes. So roger that, and I'll see you in a bit. No fish as of yet. It's been a bit awkward, to be honest, because I'm casting a couple of rod lengths out and it's taking it downstream, and it's all the leaves and the foliage are catching on the feeder. So I've changed to a lead. It's catching on that and it's just dragging it right the way downstream and then coming right into the bank, into the shallows. So what I've done now is a little bay here, and I've measured the depth and it's about 2 foot. So I've just dropped him in there and I'm going to sit on that for 20 minutes. Baited it up, the presentation's good, so I'm going to see if that produces one. But if I have a take, I'm going to have to strike into it quite quick to get it out the snags, because there's all like trees there. So I need to get it this way if I do. But if that rod goes off, it's definitely a fish, because there's no leaves, foliage, anything there. So that's the plan for the next 20 minutes. Just got one on. Jesus, it's going like a train. Luckily it's going the right way, rather than going upstream into them snags. That was just in that 2 foot of water, about a quarter, if that, of rod length out. Just put it in, perfect presentation, and it's just gone off. Absolutely charging off. Let's try and tire it out a bit. Looks about a £6 barbel. The way it's gone charging off. They do seem a lot bigger sometimes, but that's barbel. Actually, they just go off like a train. Oh no. I don't know, it looks quite a decent fish. certainly don't look a bad fish. Say it's about 6.5 pounds. Beautiful barbel. Never get tired of catching these fish. They go off like a train. Beautiful looking fish. Absolutely beautiful. Let's have a quick look at the other side. Getting rested, and back she will go. Say about 6-7 pounds. Actually, I'm going to wait. So it worked for me. The slight change of tactics, and it worked beautifully. It even went off downstream, like I says, as opposed to upstream, and all in the trees. And that's what done the that's what caught that barbel. Just a lead, 3.5 foot up length, and pellet and paste. So I'm going to get it back out and try and repeat the process. And again, I didn't hear that go off. I just seen the line downstream. I thought that ain't right. and picked it up. Oof, gone. From that bay again, the same place from where we had that other fish. And there she goes. Oh, there's son off. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Two other snacks. Oh, I don't like this. Fighting well, this one is. Started off slow, but coming up a bit of a fight. Looks slightly bigger, could be wrong. Have a look at this one. Probably just under double figure. Well, I will get it weighed. Look at that. Let's have a look at the other side. So, got to weigh this one, get it rested, and back she's gonna go. In again. Same place again from that bay. Pellet and paste. Third fish. Really pleased with that. Really pleased how the session's going. Again, fighting really well. Luckily, they're going off downstream. If they went upstream, they'd be straight in the reeds and the bushes. Looks like them coming out of there, picking the boat up and then going straight off downstream. Fish number 3. Oh, yes. I'd say about the same weight. I'd say about 8.5, 9 pounds. Probably wrong again, but it's somewhere there. So there we go. Fish barbel number 3. Let's have a look at the other side. Just lucky to see if it's not the same fish. Well, in fact, definitely not the same fish, because the other one had a little like a pimple just under its dorsal fin. But I'll wait and there we go. Look at that. Big clunking barbel. Absolutely beautiful colours. Bronze, golds. Beautiful. Right then guys, you've seen all the action, 3 barbel. It's been a cracking session, really pleased with it. paid off from coming out the main stream and fishing in the bay, baiting up little and often. And if I hadn't done that, I don't think I'd have had them 3 barbel. It was weedy. The lees was getting wrapped around the feeder and the hook. So switched to the bay and it worked out. So good luck with your fishing, and as always, tight lines, be safe on the banks, and I'll catch you later.